how to make your repost private on TikTok. So yeah guys, let's start the video. So it's your first video on this channel, so please subscribe to hit bell and then like this video. It's really helped me out. Then let's start the video. So first off, open the TikTok and watch. Once you open the TikTok, you will see the profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Right now you just see that there is 3-4 different options, but there is my videos, accounts video. There second option, lock option. Third is this repost option. Once you click on that, it will show you all reposts that I did in my TikTok. So I want to make in private, and it's repost private on my TikTok. So all you should do, guys, should tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, then select the settings and privacy, and you will find the accounts option. Then you will tap on the privacy option. Now once you tap on the privacy, you will see the all kind of options related to private, like comments, mention and reused content, but there is no any kind of option that make repost private. But this is the one way to make repost private. You could make your entire account private. So I have already did that. If you don't this, so you're gonna tap and toggle on this, tap on switch, and after that, once you tap on it, it will enable this option. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. If this video was helpful for you guys, so please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you guys in the next video. Bye.